So, tuloy na po natin ang Exodus 27. Ay, 26. 26 po. Ang Exodus 26 naman po ay focuses on the construction of the tabernacle, the place where God would dwell among His people. Every certain frame, covering, and veil was made according to that instruction of God, showing that God is holy, orderly, and desires to be in close relationship with the people. The main message is that God's presence is precious and his holiness must be honored, and obedience to His instruction is essential. So, ang ginagawa ang tabernacle, lahat po ng instruction ay nanggagaling sa Panginoon. Dahil yan po ay talagang sinigurado ng Panginoon na meron yung holiness at obedience para po dun sa gagawing tabernacle. God's presence is the greatest blessings. Ang presensya ng ating Panginoon ang pinakamaganda at pinaka-precious blessing. Yun po ang pinaka niya. God's presence is the greatest blessings for us. Kapag nasa inyo po ang Panginoon, magpuri kayo, magpasalamat kayo, dahil hindi naman po lahat ng tao ay sinasamahan ng Diyos. The tabernacle was built so God could dwell among His people. Para makalapit siya sa inyo, sa atin, kaya niya po ang ginawa ang tabernacle at maging malapit, magkaroon ng close relationship with God. More than anything else, we should desire God's presence in our daily lives through prayer, worship, and reading His Word. So again, we should read the Holy Bible. God cares about obedience. Pag masunurin po kasi tayo, isa yan sa basihan ng Panginoon kung bakit siya mananatili sa ating piling, kung bakit niya tayo i-bless, kung bakit niya tayo poprotektahan. Yun po, kailangan obedience. Okay? God is holy. The veil separated the holy place from the most holy place, emphasizing God's holiness. Alam niyo po yung veil, yung belo, yung pinalagay sa ulo, yung po yun eh. God is God of order. Every detail of the tabernacle had a purpose and place. Lahat po ng pinagawa niya sa loob ng tabernacle ay may purpose at sa tamang lugar. God values order in our lives. We should seek to honor Him through discipline and faithful living. Yan po ang ating nilalaman ng Exodus 26. Sana po meron po tayong nakuhang aral dito at sana po every day ay malaking tulong po sa inyo. Parati lang po natin tatandaan, God is good, God is our provider, and God is a great healer. And always keep away from sin. If you want God to stay with you, be faithful and trust God. To God be the glory.